Hi guys, this is Anderson. Today we're going to use the numbers in a sentence. How to use the numbers in a sentence.
Comment ka utilize chip sa yo nan yon phrase?
Number one,
Numéro 1.
I have two brothers.
Mwen genyen 2 frères.
Number two,
Numéro 2.
they have 5 cars in their yard.
Yo genyen 5 machines nan la cour.
Number three,
Numéro 3.
my mother has 10 dresses.
Maman genyen 10 rad.
Number four,
Numéro 4.
I have 30 followers watching this video.
Mwen gen 30 moun kap gade video sa.
Number five, the last one,
Numéro 5. Dernier phrase.
we have 6 new friends for this week.
Non genyen 6 nouveaux amis pou semen nan.
One more time. We have 6 new friends for this week.
Non genyen 5 nouveaux amis pou semen nan.
Hi guys, as I told you, this is the video that we will use the numbers in the sentence. Keep watching and you will learn more about it. Okay? Goodbye.